Meet Smidnya Technologies, leading the future of AI-driven vision inspection systems. We help industries achieve 100% quality with automated, real-time defect detection. Traditional quality checks are slow and error-prone. Human inspection leads to inefficiencies, waste, and higher costs. Our AI-powered vision inspection systems detect microscopic defects in real time, from scratches to misalignment, color variations, and labeling errors. We ensure perfection in every product. Smidnya systems are ultra-fast, integrate seamlessly with your production line, and reduce waste, maximizing efficiency and profits. Transform your quality control with Smidnya Technologies. Visit at www.smidnya.online and automate with confidence today.